Are you sick and tired of being sick and tired? Are you struggling with fatigue and brain fog and that stubborn weight gain? Or you're losing the weight and then you're scared that it's going to come back after you've worked so hard to get it off and you just don't know why? You've tried everything. Are you just feeling like you're not sleeping well at night? You're having restless night, you're waking up tired and you just don't have the energy to get going during the day? Or you feel like your brain is just like not yourself and that you're just going crazy? Well, there are ways of turning this around and finding out why this is happening and fixing the problem. Hi, I'm Dr. Myra Reed with over 33 years of internal medicine and functional medicine expertise. And I'm here to tell you that we can assess what is going on with you, get to the root cause of why you're having these problems, and find out, could it be hormonal? Could it be toxins? Well, one of the things is that now hormones are playing a big part in really turning around our health and vitality and keeping us living longer and feeling better. Now, a lot of people got scared about hormones because they're saying, well, oh, hormones are going to cause cancer. That is not true. We live in a toxic world. If people are going to get cancer, it's from all the toxins that we have in our environment. And I can tell you one thing about the hormones today are not the hormones that scared everybody in the past. That study that they did about 25 years ago, that really everybody got off of hormones because they said, oh, it's causing cancer, it's causing strokes, it's causing heart disease. That's the opposite truth. Actually, those hormones back then, we don't even use anymore because those were synthetic hormones. Today's hormones are bioidentical. What means is that bioidentical is that these little chemical messengers that we're replacing our body that we lose as we age are actually natural. And we are able to put these back in on our bodies and return these natural chemical messengers. And when you have these chemical messengers back in your body, it preserves your brain, it preserves your muscles, it preserves your bones, it preserves your skin. You just live longer, you feel better, and you're going to just overall have better vitality. Don't you want to be able to continue to travel and move and play the activities and the sports, or just get up and go and have that energy, that vitality that you want? You want to get on the floor and play with your kids or your grandkids. You want to be able to go and have fun with your friends and not worry about falling down and hurting yourself. And what are you going to break? Well, we know now that hormones are very vital to our longevity and our vitality and our overall wellness. It just makes your bones better, your muscles better, your skin better, and you're able to just get out and have more fun and enjoy life. So if you want to know more about how to get to the root cause of what your body may be losing, is it could be hormones, it could be other nutrients, it could be other natural things that we can look and find and replace. And also it could be that, well, let's just look at your lifestyle. I'm here to help you. We can really do this and really partner with you to find that root cause and really improve your health and really turn things around. So check out my website, Dr. Myra Reed. Follow along on my socials, my Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and all these other social platforms. And then I will continue to give you good longevity and vitality and wellness tips.